Have you ever seen thick, billowing white smoke pouring out of your car's exhaust? This is a clear sign that something is wrong under the hood. In this video, I'll explain the common causes of white smoke and walk you through step-by-step troubleshooting to get your car running smoothly again. Normal exhaust versus problematic smoke. Slight condensation or water vapor is normal, but persistent thick white smoke indicates an issue. White smoke means coolant or water is getting into the combustion chambers. Potential causes of white smoke. 1. Blown head gasket, coolant leaking into cylinders. 2. Cracked cylinder head or engine block, also allowing coolant intrusion. 3. Worn piston rings or valve seals, oil leaking into combustion. Diagnosing the problem. Check coolant levels and inspect cooling system for leaks. Visually inspect head gasket, cylinder head, and engine block. Use a compression tester to further diagnose internal engine issues. Clean or replace fuel injectors if fuel system is the culprit. Fixing white smoke. Repair or replace damaged head gasket, cylinder head, or engine block. Fix worn piston rings or valve seals. Requires extensive engine work. Use a fuel system cleaner to resolve injection problems. Preventing future issues. Stay on top of cooling system, fuel system, and engine maintenance. Check and change coolant. Use high-quality oil. Replace fuel filters. Conclusion: addressing white exhaust smoke early can save you from major engine repairs down the line. Follow these troubleshooting steps to diagnose the root cause and get your vehicle back on the road. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more car care tips and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions.